Hey, 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 boys and girls. Well, we know what we got here. Because you've read the title, because you're clever people. Yes. See there? Go on. Stop. Label off. Don't want any of you coming around and nicking stuff. I don't know, no, that's the bottom. Put the label on the bottom. I don't think that's very the world's greatest idea. Yeah, it's a proper careful video. It's great that I do not know what I'm doing. Of course, we've got another box. Another kettle lead, filed. Oh, bugger. Oh, ow, man. That was my toe. So I'll get a bit closer. Well, that'll do, yeah. Yeah, talk amongst yourselves, type away, and we have another box. Come here, bugger. That's my superior football skills there, which were not superior at all. I'm useless at football, and when I was at school, as I was useless at football, they thought, the masters thought I'd be useless at every sport, but playing rugby for Cambridge, national trials for swimming, that didn't matter to them. You're no good at football, you're no good at anything. Played cricket at college as well, that didn't mean anything to them. Well, they're dead now, so it'll bugger them. Well, that is a bit weighty, but I suppose we'll best have a proper close-up. Oh, what's been a second for you is the next day for me. Right, what have we got here? Gain, tone, volume and reverb. How do these knobs turn? Well, hopefully they do turn, but oh, quite smooth. That's alright. Could be a little bit more stiffer. Yeah, they're fine. It's quite a nice solid feeling cab. Ow! Let's just do the same with the other hand. Ow, it's worse. Let's turn this bugger around then. Oh! Can we see in there? It's a bit dark, isn't it? I don't know what this maker speaker is. Would it be good? Is it going to be bad? Well, there's only really one way to find out, isn't there? Right, sounds time. One thing I did notice, the kind of, you can't see it, can you? That's a bit better, huh? This is kind of upside down, I reckon. You have to flip the switch up to turn it on. Oh dear. Let's get something, haven't done this before. A little bit of reverb, 1.5. I just did. Now is it warmed up? Yeah, a bit more. This is on the 1 watt setting. So I maybe good, maybe not so good, maybe brilliant, maybe bloody awful. Don't know. Not of course. This is only as good as my microphone and your speakers. There's quite a bit of hum, but there's no feedback. But I am using a SM57. It's got quite a, so it's a smaller diaphragm, which is kind of good. So it's more of a kind of I think this is more of a kind of volume, I don't know, is it? What's the kind of where the yeah, it's a volume, almost. There's quite a lot of reverb there, isn't there? That's just me. Turn it off for a sec. So I don't know if you'll be able to, or should, do the annuator thingy when it's turned on, but I'm not going to risk it. And this is 0.1 of a watt. Could that be more like a tenth of a watt? Possibly. Change harp. So that's a 0.1. It's might be useful for recording at very low levels, but I'll be on 5. Yes, 5 watts. Blimey. There's quite a bit of background noise, but oh, bloody hell. We've got an earthing problem. I don't know. Is there an earthing problem? Well, I'll take it out tonight and give it a blast live with other people. It should be able to keep up with the drummer, no problem. I might even, let's see, yeah, I might even actually record. If, well, I won't be able to record, someone else will have to record it for me. But they'll only be on my phone, so the, it might not be quite as good clarity. So I don't know, yeah, I'll do it. Anyway, now, this. Yum Yum beer.